Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, it's Neal Micosa again. And for today's video, we're going to make an unboxing and review about the tungkol dito sa product na to. And this is called the Fling Joystick for your smartphone. This product is very handy for those na naglalaro ng mga Monster Legends.
Legendary!
So, syempre, bukas na to. Hindi ito unboxing. Pero naka-plastic, pero unboxing. So, 5 yung in-order ko, pero 4 naman dito. Oh my gosh, what is that? So, itong mga product na to is binili ko sa Shopee. And kung interested kayo bilhin is I'm going to link it up dun sa Shopee sa description. Yan, dyan yung link. So, I bought this for only 35 pesos. And ito siya. And kung pag ginagat, hindi mo siya nag-focus. So, kunyari yan na lang yan. Mobile game remote control. Yes. So, ito ay nalalagay sa phone. Yung parang nakaganon. Yan yun. So, pag binuksan niyo yung product, may makikita niyo. Isang left at isang right na joystick. So, ayan siya. So, ang masasabi ko sa quality ng product na to is it's not that sturdy na pwede mo magamit pang matagalan. Kasi yung isa kong ganito, ginagamit ko pa lang siya for 1 day. And inalis ko tong suction cup na to. And ang nangyari is, naputol siya. Yon. So, I got free shipping kasi may voucher ako sa Shopee na 100 pesos shipping fee. Na free na yung 100 pesos na. So, itong product nito, nakasulat sa kanya is dual joystick control, mobile game remote control, phone, pad, pod touch. Sa likod, ito yung nakalagay. Mobile game remote control. So, remote control is yung gano'n. Sa TV. Yeah. So, itong product na to is very good for gamers that are using their phones for gaming. This comes very handy rin sa mga pasmado yung kamay dyan. Is medyo stiff siya. Yung sa ganito. Alas, kung nakikita nyo, ganyan siya ka-stiff. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button beside the subscribe button para ma-notify ka naman every upload ko. And comment down below kung gusto mong gawan ko to ng demo. So, I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!